How to place order on Slumber website.
Visit the Slumber website, www.slumber.co.in, on your preferred web browser. Sign in with your mobile number and enter OTP received on your registered number. Now, let's take a look at the website. As you can see, it is divided into several sections, each with its own style. There is a section for collections, where you can find various variety to comfort and lifestyle. Browse through the available collections to find products that interests you. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page to search for specific products by name, keyword, or category. Click on the product you wish to purchase, to view its details. On the product details page, you will find all the information about the product, such as its name, description, price, and availability. You can also view images of the product and read customer reviews. Select the size you wish to buy and then click on Add to Cart button. You can then increase or decrease the quantity you wish to buy. If you wish to buy more than one sizes, you can select different sizes and add to cart their desired quantity. If you wish to buy more products, you can click on Shop button and repeat the process unless you have added all the products, sizes and quantity to your cart. Click on the product you wish to purchase, to view its details. You can also buy color options of the same product or different products available in the same category by scrolling down on the product page itself as shown on the screen. Once you have added all the products you wish to purchase in your cart, click Cart icon on top of the page to view the products and their quantities you have added. Here you can also edit your cart or remove items if you change your mind. Click Apply button on Coupon section to get offers and promo codes. If you already have a coupon or promo code, you can enter it under Store Offers. If you have any special request regarding your order, you can write to us in Order Instructions section. On the checkout page, you will be asked to provide your shipping address, billing address, and payment information. Review your order details and fill in all the required fields. You may be asked to provide your name, email address, phone number, shipping address, billing address, and payment information. Review your order summary and click the Place Order button to complete your purchase. You can choose between several payment methods, such as OP, credit and debit cards, net banking, pay on delivery, etc. When you are ready to proceed with your purchase, click the Place Order button. You will receive a confirmation email and SMS from Slumber with your order details and estimated delivery date.
You can contact us at +91 985 333 7222 for any queries. Please provide your order number received in mail and mobile to assist you quickly.
In addition to these sections, there is also a section for our social media profiles. We encourage you to explore each of these sections.